Do you know that your favorite Bible verse could earn you a reasonable monthly income on the side? If you're using the internet, you must have seen these gorgeous framed scripture prints selling $15, $25, and $40. And you know the best part? You can create them too. You don't need to be an artist, a graphic designer, or even have a fancy education. Let me show you how you can do this in the next few minutes. Choose your favorite AI assistant. You can choose DeepSeek, Claude, or ChatGPT. I'm using Claude for this specific project. So go to Claude and put these prompts. Let's see what Claude gives us. So it will give you a prompt for generation of the images that you need. And here we have our 10 empowering Bible verses for women. You can ask more, you can ask for more depending on how many you want. There's really no limit. Prompt for the image to be generated, and we also ask Claude to suggest the best image generator to use. Okay, here we go. You have the image concept. It has provided. I'm going to use the ones that I know. If you don't know, you can do this, but if you know, use the ones that work for you. I'm going to use Ideogram because I've used it various times and it has very good quality images, even if it's overlooked by many, but it's really good. Give it a try. It gives you 4 generations of the same image. We get our prompt, so we give it a few, put in our prompts. We put in our prompt and give it a few minutes. And these are our images. That is the first one. You can see it has no eyes, but it's beautiful. That's the second image, the second suggestion, the second generation. And that is the other one. It has put these words, empowered radiance, but don't worry, we can edit them out. This is another option that we can use, is Google Gemini. Here is our prompt. Let's see what it gives us. So you can either use, these are 2 options that I used, but there are very many others. See what Google gives us. This is a beautiful image. Again, it has no eyes. I don't know why they keep bringing images without eyes. So the good thing with Gemini is that you can edit the photo within the same website. Give the lady eyes, and we regenerate. And here is a lady with her beautiful eyes. Just look at the size that we shall go to Canva, and this will help us to make the photo the size that we want, to put the words that we need, that is the verses. Custom size, depending on the size you want, you choose what you prefer to print out. Upload your photo in Canva, expand it to fit the canvas. So you go to text, add a text box there, and you can type in your verse. You can paste it from where it was. Yes, and that's our verse. We shall start with Proverbs 31:25. Adjust it to fit the space that is available so that it's easily visible. The fonts, see the font that works best for you. This one looks good. So adjust the words to fit that is provided. It's a bit big. Let's make it smaller. This is the second. We can put various pictures so that you can download them at once. What you can do one by one. It's up to the time that you have and what is easy for you. So after downloading the images, after downloading from Canva, now we go back to Google Gemini so that we can bring more life to these pictures. We want to create, to make them more lively. So we place the framed image in a living room against the wall. These are images you'll use to market your products. You may wonder, okay, now after doing this, where will I sell these products? You can sell these both locally and online. I shall take you through both options. So let's first do the online selling. The online selling. So we go to Printify. Use Printify. We can choose that frame and then upload our image. After uploading our image, so this will make it look upload our image in Printify, and that is it. So nice work. So now they are going to add this to our store. You see that they show you the different ways in which it will look like on the wall. So after uploading your product, now you go, and here it's unpublished because we've not connected a store. So you go to connect store, you click connect store, and it will show you the options that you can connect to. You can connect to Etsy, Shopify. You can use the local option. You can sell to your local community. You can sell to the people you can reach physically. Here, just like this woman has printed out her art piece, you go to the nearest or the most preferred print shop, have it printed on a canvas or on a paper or on a board or just on a paper that you can later frame. You print it out. These are usually local rates that are affordable. You print it out. After printing out, frame it just like this. You frame your photos on sale. You can market these on social media. You can let people know about. You can use your WhatsApp. You can sell locally to the people that you know via DMs. You can sell on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all these channels, YouTube, wherever. This is a very lucrative business. People want beautiful things in their houses. People have no idea what to hang in their houses. And this is very easy to do. It doesn't take so long. As long as you have the heart for it, you will make some money. So go try this out and let me know how it works out. Good luck.